Hello students. Now today in this video I will explain about the equation of straight line. Of class 10 I have taken the book Understanding ICSE Mathematics class 10 by ML Agrawal. Chapter 12 Equation of straight line. As you know, what is the meaning of the equation of straight line? If you have a line like this, then there is an equation of this line. If you produce this line in this way, then the same equation you will get. This line, the nature of the line is same, then the equation is also same, even if it is short or long. That doesn't matter. In this case, first of all, I will tell you the equation of the line which you use frequently, that is the x-axis and y-axis. This is also the line. Can you guess the graph is only up to here? No. You can draw the long also, you can draw the short also according to you. But the equation of the x-axis remain same, always, universal truth. So what is the equation of the x-axis? Can you tell that if you let the point on the x-axis, what you will consider on this x-axis? That is A, if the point, what are the coordinates on the x-axis? Then always you will let x comma 0, whether it is on the right side or it is on the left side. Always x comma 0. This 0 represent the value of y, means y always 0. So you can write here the equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. What is the meaning of equation? When you have the equal sign between the two variables or the variable and constant, there is no equal sign between the two constants. If they are different constant, then you cannot say that these are equal. So y is equal to 0 is the equation of the x-axis, this axis. So kahin pe bhi ho. If anybody asks what is the equation of x-axis, what you will tell? Y is equal to 0. Simple. चाहे वो किसी भी कॉपी में कहीं से भी कैसे भी बनाया जाए, ऐसे भी बनाया जाए और इसको x-axis लिख दिया जाए, तो it means this is the y is equal to 0. So similarly, if you want to find the equation of the y-axis, then what will you say? Is it x is equal to 0, because here the point is taken 0 comma y, always on the y-axis. So these are the two equations that represent the equation of x-axis and equation of y-axis. Never change. ये कभी change नहीं होती. Now if anybody asks ये तो पता कर लिया कि x-axis की equation क्या है, y-axis की equation, but if anybody asks the equation of the line which is parallel to the x-axis, मतलब जैसे ये line है, अगर ये line parallel to the x-axis है, then what is the equation of this line? Then just you count if the line is parallel to the x-axis, whether it cuts the x-axis? No, never. X-axis को कभी cut नहीं करेगा. किसको cut करेगा? Only the y-axis, only at one point. सिर्फ एक point पर. यहाँ से यहाँ. तो just you count the distance from the origin to this point. तो ये point का अगर हम मान ले P point पे cut कर रहा है, and this is the distance, A distance, मतलब A 0 comma A पे. तो this is the equation of the line is y is equal to A, क्योंकि y की वैल्यू हम ये तुम्हारे A है, और ये यहाँ पे भी A होगी, यहाँ पे भी ये distance बराबर होगी. That is why this is called the constant value. तो equation of line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to A. A may be value, हो सकता है A2 हो सकता है 3 हो सकता है -2, -3, -1/2, anything that is the, but it will be constant. ये constant ही होगा. तो y is equal to A is only the equation that you can say parallel to the x-axis. Similarly, the equation of the line parallel to the y-axis इज x इज इक्वल टू a। अब a क्या है यहाँ पे जैसे मान लेंगे पैरेलल लाइन है तो ये डिस्टेंस, दिस डिस्टेंस इज a। तो डिस्टेंस में भी वेरी, ऊपर भी हो सकते हैं नीचे भी हो सकते हैं, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है। जहां पे इसको कट करेंगे, चाहे लेफ्ट साइड पे कट करें चाहे राइट साइड पे कट करें, दैट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ a। तो दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन ए। मतलब अब ये तो लाइन पैरेलल और एक्स एक्सिस एंड वाई एक्सिस है, बट क्या लाइन सिर्फ यही होती है? नो, लाइन में भी, अब जैसे ये है, ये ग्राफ है, लाइन में भी लाइक दिस, लाइन में भी लाइक दिस, लाइन में भी लाइक दिस। तो इस तरह से कई सारी लाइनें होती हैं। तो आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द लाइन। जैसे इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन, अब देयर आर द फॉर्म्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन। For example, if a line cuts the x-axis and y-axis at point A and B, एक लाइन ये है, this cut the point at A and B, this point. What is the equation of the line? So there are the types of the lines. So first form is called slope intercept form. What is the meaning of the slope intercept form? पहले तो स्लोप क्या होता है वो बता दें। When the line x axis और y axis को कट करेगी, it makes the angle theta with the x axis, and this theta, when you take the tangent with this theta, then this is called the slope of the line. This is called slope. Slope means m, इसको m से represent करते हैं, m is equal to tan theta. This is the first equation of first formula of the line, means you can say only the slope. What is the intercept? In this case, from origin to this point B, this, suppose the coordinates of this point is 0, c. So c is the intercept, मतलब distance from origin to the point where the line cuts the y-axis, that is the intercept. तो ये intercept को कहते हैं y-intercept. Similarly, origin से ये point को क्या कहेंगे? x-intercept. तो इसमें in this equation of line, I will tell you about the y-intercept. इसमें y-intercept use किया गया. So this is the about slope and intercept, and the equation is y is equal to mx plus c. This is the slope intercept form. M means tan theta, means slope. C means the distance from origin to this point, means y-intercept. Second form, one point form. In some question, कभी-कभी इंटरसेप्ट नहीं दिया गया होता है, द लाइन पासेस थ्रू द वन पॉइंट। सपोज द लाइन पासेस थ्रू दिस पॉइंट P x1, y1, कहीं भी। देयर इज नो नीड टू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ, बट देयर इज नीड टू ड्रॉ द फिगर। फिगर को बना ले तो ज्यादा इजी वे से हो जाता है। तो इफ द लाइन पासेस थ्रू द वन पॉइंट x1, y1, then what is the equation of line? In this case, the equation of line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is the equation of line, जहां पे y1 और x1 ये फिक्स्ड पॉइंट्स है, मतलब ये पॉइंट्स चेंज नहीं होंगे। मे बी 2, 3, minus 3, 2, 1/2, 5, like this. Always if a point is on the line, that must satisfy the equation of the line. जैसे कभी कभी मान ले, फॉर एग्जाम्पल y is equal to 2x kx plus 3 and a point 2, 5 lies on this line. ये लाइन की इक्वेशन है, कोई भी लाइन की इक्वेशन है, and this point lie on this line. तो it means this point satisfy this equation. कैसे satisfy करेगा? You will write in place of x the value is 2 and in place of y the value is 5. Then you can get the value of this constant k. तो ये जब भी कोई पॉइंट किसी लाइन पे हो तो हम उसको x और y की जगह पे रख सकते हैं। तो अब आप कहेंगे कि ये क्यों नहीं रखा, दिस इज द फिक्स्ड पॉइंट x1 कामा y1, दिस इज आल्सो द फिक्स्ड। लेकिन जब जरूरत नहीं है, देयर इज नो नीड टू फाइंड द कांस्टेंट, देन यू विल यूज दिस फॉर्मूला टू फाइंड द आस्किंग द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन, नॉट आस्किंग द कांस्टेंट। अगर कांस्टेंट पूछता है तब तुम्हें रखना है, अदरवाइज नो नीड टू पुट। तो बस कहां पे पुट करना है, यहाँ x1 और y1 की जगह पे जो वैल्यू यहाँ दी गई, जैसे मान लो यही पॉइंट दिया गया, तो x1 इन प्लेस ऑफ x1 2, इन प्लेस ऑफ y1 5। बट you will get always equation of line in terms of x and y, not in any other। x और y के टर्म में मिलेगा, ये only in terms of x, are only in terms of y, are in terms of both x and y। अगर हम कहें कि k is equal to 2 is the equation of line, no, it is not the equation of line, क्योंकि there is no x no y। जब है ही नहीं तो ये कोई लाइन की इक्वेशन नहीं है। So this is the second type of the equation. Now the third type, maybe the line passes through the 2 points, suppose one more point x2 y2, then what is the equation of line? तो इसको बोलते हैं 2 point form, but it is very easy, and y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 whole upon into x minus x1। If you see this 1 point form and 2 point form, what is same? y minus y1, y minus y, x minus x1, x minus x। It means this m and this value, these two, if you compare, you can say that m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, means the one more formula of slope you can get, because it is the slope। तो स्लोप का एक फॉर्मूला बताया था tan थीटा, अगर थीटा दिया गया हो मींस 45 डिग्री 30 डिग्री कुछ भी दिया हो, in that case you can find the theta। but if you have the 2 points p1 and p1 या a and b c d कुछ भी दिए गए, तो coordinates there, then also you can find the slope of the line। This slope is also known as the gradient, इसको gradient भी कहते हैं। तो स्लोप को y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1। For example, if you have the point a and b minus 3 comma 6, then what is the slope of this line AB? AB का slope क्या होगा? So just x1 y1, x2 y2, तो 6 यहाँ पे रख देंगे, 5 यहाँ पे रख देंगे, minus 3 यहाँ रख देंगे, 2 यहाँ, you will get the answer। So this is the meaning of the slope, and you can, so better using the 2 point form, better first you find the slope and then use the 1 point form, क्योंकि वही चीज निकली तो m बार पहले निकाल ले फिर उसमें करते तो इजी वे से निकल आएगा। Now the questions based on these formulae, so you can see the exercise 12.1। in the 12.1, find the slope, the first 3 question 1 2 3 based on the 1 2 3 4 5 6 ये based on the equation। find the inclination in the line whose gradient, मतलब gradient means the slope is given। question number 2, first part, if the slope is given that is 1, find the inclination। inclination का मतलब थीटा निकालना है, तो in place of m put the tan theta is equal to 1, तो it is tan theta is equal to 1। tan टेबल में कहां पे होता है tan 45 डिग्री, तो tan cancel, theta is equal to 45। so this is the inclination। question number 5, if find the equation of the straight line parallel to the y-axis and passing through the point minus 3 comma 5, parallel to the y-axis and passing through this point। तो हमने बताया parallel to the y-axis and passing through this point minus 3 comma 5 यहाँ कहीं होगा। तो parallel to y-axis इसका मतलब कि ये यहां से पास कर रहा है minus 3, -3 पॉइंट होगा, चाहे यहाँ हो चाहे वहां, x की वैल्यू तो सेम होगी। तो इन दिस केस द वैल्यू इज x इज इक्वल टू मींस इक्वेशन ऑफ द लाइन which is parallel to the y-axis and passing through -3, 5, always x is equal to -3. In some question, find the slope and the intercept. Find the slope and intercept, like 7th question. X minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the slope and y intercept. Minus 2y, change in the form of y is equal to mx plus c and then compare the values. So you can write this as minus x plus 1, or 2y is equal to x minus 1, or y is equal to 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2. Compare exactly in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Then the coefficient of x, that will be m, slope, and this value is the y-intercept. This is the answer. अब जैसे क्वेश्चन दिए हैं, जैसे can find the constant p in the line y by 2 is equal to x minus p and the line passes through the point -4, 4. हमने बताया था कि जब भी कोई लाइन पास करती है, it means you can put the value of x and y in this equation. So if the line because line 1 इक्वेशन नंबर डाल सकते हैं, लाइन 1 passes through -4, 4. So 4 by 2 -4 minus p, 2 is equal to -4 minus p, or minus p is equal to 6. So value of p is -6. Just you put the x is equal to -4 and y is equal to 4 in this equation. Find the equation of the straight line. Find the 14th straight passing through -1, 2 and slope is 2 by 5. Passing through -2, 5 and slope is -1, 2. Sorry. -1, 2 and the slope is 2 by 5. Find the equation of line. So you can use one point form. So one point form, y minus y1 means 2, m means 2 by 5, x minus plus 1. Now cross multiplication, 5y minus 10 is equal to 2x plus 2. Always write the equation, means all the terms write in, take in the left hand side and make is equal to 0 the right hand side. So that will be easy. Minus 12 is equal to 0. And the minimum negative sign must be there. तो minimum negative sign को multiply और इसको ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. This is the equation of the line. इसको यहाँ भी छोड़ा जा सकता है, but if you write in this way, that will be good. Similarly, the other questions. Question number 18. Asking the find the intercepts made by the line 2x minus 3y plus 12. Find the intercepts made by this line. Intercepts हमने बताया था कि what is the meaning of intercept? This point A and B. मतलब ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक the coordinates x, 0 and this is the coordinate 0, y. To find the x intercept, put the value of y is equal to 0 in the equation, and to find the y intercept, put the value of x is equal to 0. So for y intercept, we put x is equal to 0 in the equation 1. So 0 minus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 4. This is the means 4 is y intercept, and for x intercept we put y is equal to 0 in the equation 1. So 2x plus 12, then x is equal to minus 6 is the value. So minus 6 is the x intercept. So by this way you can get the value. Find the value of a if the lines are collinear. Suppose question number 20, the lines are collinear, A, B, C. As you know, the a, 3, 2, 1, 5, a, 3, 2, 1, 5, a. These 3 points are collinear. Then find the value of a by, and then find the equation of line. तो ये डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूले से नहीं निकाला जा सकता है, बट वी यूज हियर द स्लोप ऑफ द लाइन. कोई भी पॉइंट्स को लीनियर तभी होंगे व्हेन द स्लोप्स आर इक्वल. तो स्लोप्स ऑफ ए बी एंड स्लोप्स ऑफ ए सी इफ यू मेक इक्वल, तो द स्लोप ऑफ ए बी इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ बी सी या ए सी, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. देन द फॉर कोलिनियर यू कैन से फॉर कोलिनियर. So what is the slope of y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1? This is the formula of slope. Use here 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus a minus 3 upon 5 minus a, and then cross multiplication minus 2, 2 minus a minus 3, 5 minus a, cross multiplication, then it will be 2a मतलब a minus 3 into 2 minus a is equal to 2 into a minus 5. Multiply this minus into this. So after multiplication 2a minus 6 minus a square plus 3a is equal to 2a minus 10. So it will be minus a square, 2a and 2a cancel, plus 3a minus 6 plus 10 plus 4 is equal to 0. Or a square minus 3a minus 4 is equal to 0. A square minus, then the after factorization, a minus 4 and a plus 1 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 4 and a is equal to minus. This is these are the two values of a, and then you can find the equation by using the a is equal to 4 यहाँ और there, और इन दोनों पॉइंट से इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन भी निकाल. So using it is very easy, the equation of line you can find. I will tell you some more things in the next video. Thank you.